going on, guys? Redbeard. We are here in Hermantown today, and we got a pretty fun project today. Doing a little bit of climbing, some rigging. We got the excavator here. We're gonna do a lot of mulching. So right now we're starting off with this birch tree right here. Been looking at this thing like 3 or 4 different ways. I think I just need to climb it and piece it out. So that's what we're gonna do. Throw my spikes on here, and it should be a good day today. So we want to take you guys along for the ride, and we hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, these are roofer cuts. You can tell by the way that they are. You know, the emotional support is debatably just as important, if not more important, than the physical support. Some would argue. This thing needs a new chain on. I think this chain is what's not cutting right. But yeah. Gotta be so much easier to just tip this thing over, huh? I was really hoping that that top would just be able to like, which the top probably can. Need that blue rigging rope here in a second. So, if I were to just cut this one and let it fall, it's gonna land on the roof. So I'm trying to figure out how I wanna rig it down. And there's like 4 or 5 different ways I can do it, and none of them are really good. So Trent just hooked me up with the blue rigging rope, and that's when we just like, we'll tie off the piece, make the cut, and then lower it to the ground. So I think I'm gonna see if I can get out here over to this one. That's not fun. Without spiking this thing. So that's what we're gonna do, is lower this thing down onto the roof. So as I'm peel cutting this, you're just gonna wanna slowly lower it down onto the garage. Might be a spot where it'll just balance just nicely. Friction saver set up here. That way when I set my rigging sling in here, my climb line and my rigging rope aren't gonna interfere with each other. You got a porter wrap set up down there, Trent? There it goes. There you go. And then hold it right there. Might have to do the old judo. All right, let it down. There we go. All right, well, we threw a chain. This chain was a little dull anyways, so I'm gonna go and throw a new chain on this bad girl. All right, well, this is probably the most difficult one of the job. It really wasn't that hard. I just was really trying to avoid having to go way up there and piece that thing down over the garage. I was hoping there's an easier way in there somewhere, but sometimes the easiest way is the long way. I mean, I don't think you're ever really there, and you should always be learning something. So it's kind of one of those things that, like, no matter how long you're climbing for, you can always learn something new and learn another way of being safer. But I've been climbing since around COVID 2020, 2021-ish. So it's been, whatever that is, 5 years. And I don't know, I've come a long ways. I started with just like a rock climbing saddle. I didn't even really have any interest in climbing trees. This guy like sold me a rope and some carabiners and a unisender and a rock climbing saddle. And then I just kind of slowly started trying to figure it out myself, and watched a lot of August Hunneke videos. Just basically, I don't know if you call it self-taught, but YouTube University. So yeah, you never really quit. Ask my wife, I'm watching chainsaw videos in bed at night, and I'm watching chainsaw videos on the toilet in the morning. So always learning. Nice. All right. All right, so what I'm setting up here is some mechanical advantage, but it's going to be inline. So what's going to happen here is I'll be able to apply tension to the system and then lock it off. See what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And then I've got this guy. And that's going to clip off to here. And then I've got this running through both of these. And that's going to clip off probably here after.
That's interesting.
I do this. Okay, so this is locked off. So I think once we start cutting this thing, yeah, let her out. I think once we start cutting this thing and it starts to swing a little bit, and then you start pulling on it with that blue rope, I think we'll be in business. Yeah, so we're gonna set up our tag line over here, and we'll put a progress capture in it, which just means that as we're pulling the rope, it's gonna bite on the rope and the rope won't swing back this way. So we got the house here. I'm just worried that if this thing swings back at all, then it could poke a window out, and so we're just not gonna do that today. So we got one rope set up here to suspend the tree, and then one rope is going to be set over here to pull it away from the house. So that's the plan. So you could add those hand descenders for some advantage if you want to later. I might just throw this on the line right now.
Just to keep it there?
Yeah, and then if you want to, you can throw that on there.
I feel like might as well.
Yeah, I mean, it'd probably be helpful. But that's probably plenty. You probably don't need more than that.
Right.
You got the progress capture, and I'm suspending it, so it's not like we're reefing on it real hard. All right, So made a big, nice, wide face cut on this thing so this thing could close without this hinge wood severing. So we barely got into the back cut at all. There's still a lot of good hinge wood on it, but swung it away from the house, got it on the ground. Now it's time to clean everything up. So I think I'm gonna send my camera woman out to go get some drinks for us, and we're gonna get ready to start cleaning everything up and run the mulcher. So. All right, so that's about it for this one. We got a ton of mulching done back here. We got this limb down, we got the birch tree down, and things look pretty good around here. We opened things up a lot. You can actually walk through the backyard now. It's awesome. Got the firewood cleaned up in the backyard there. So that's what we do. We do hazard tree removal and wildfire mitigation. Not such a big wildfire concern on this one, but some hazard trees, and the homeowner just wanted her backyard cleaned up. So that's what we did for her. We appreciate you guys for checking this video out. If you guys enjoy this stuff, give us a thumbs up or subscribe. And if you guys live in northern Minnesota, anywhere in northern Minnesota, and you guys have hazard trees or you need wildfire mitigation done, you can give us a call. It's 218-395-7818, or you can reach out on the web, punch in redbeard.work, hit enter, fill out the form, and we'll give you a call right away. So I'm Redbeard, I'm the one doing the work, and I appreciate you guys for watching this one. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.